In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Canva, specifically tailored for those venturing into selling designs in 2025. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or expand your creative business, Canva offers a myriad of opportunities to generate income. Let's dive right into it. First up, you can create and sell Canva templates. This is a delightful way to monetize your design skills. Start by crafting editable templates such as resumes, planners, Instagram posts, presentations, business cards, or even ebooks. Once you're satisfied with your designs, save them as a Canva template link. This link allows buyers full access to customize a template to fit their needs. For selling, popular platforms include Etsy, which is perhaps the largest marketplace devoted to such templates, along with Creative Market and Design bundles. If you have your own website or use e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Wix, you can leverage those too. Just imagine selling a $15 Instagram template pack and making 20 sales a month, which would equate to a passive income of $300. Nice, right? Another option is joining the Canva Creator Program. This opportunity allows you to apply as a Canva contributor or creator. By uploading different design elements, be it graphics, stock photos, videos, or templates, you can earn royalties each time someone uses your content within Canva's platform. This is an ideal pathway for photographers, illustrators, and designers who wish to showcase their work and earn ongoing revenue. Moving on, Canva can also be used to design and sell digital products. These might include planners, journals, workbooks, course guides, ebooks, or even printable invitations. You can sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, or alternatively through your own site. Each platform offers unique advantages in terms of audience reach and control over sales, so exploring each option to determine which suits your business strategy best is worthwhile. Business owners and social media managers, listen up. Offering social media packages is another strategic approach. Many small businesses are in dire need of consistent and branded content. By creating monthly Canva template bundles, which may include Instagram carousels, TikTok covers, or YouTube thumbnails, you can offer a subscription service, an example being $97 per month for a bundle of 30 posts. This recurring revenue model is both lucrative and sustainable. Lastly, if you have a knack for teaching or sharing knowledge, consider teaching Canva through courses or tutorials. Starting a YouTube channel dedicated to Canva tutorials can quickly garner a loyal audience given Canva's growing popularity. Alternatively, developing a course for platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or even hosting it on your own platform can help in reaching audiences eager to learn from scratch. In summary, from selling templates to teaching skills, Canva offers a plethora of avenues to earn money in 2025. It's all about tapping into your strengths and matching them with the right platform or strategy. Start today, and you might just hit your creative and financial goals sooner than you think.